thank you for tuning in BMW of Bridgewater YouTube channel. My name is Zarina and I'm one of the product specialists here. Today I'll be showing you some cool BMW technology on this newly redesigned X6. So follow me! Now that we're inside of the newly designed BMW X6, we will be talking about BMW's intelligent safety features. To access safety features in your vehicle, you would have to locate this button that has a car icon on it, circled with green light. You go ahead and press that, this screen will pop up. You can either use touch screen or you can use the iDrive knob to control your safety features. In my case, I will be using the knob. You would have to go under Configure Individual, click down, and this gives you a breakdown of all the safety features available in your vehicle. There could be less or there could be more depending on what packages you have on your car. I will just give you a quick explanation of these safety features that are available in this car. You have frontal collision warning and pedestrian warning with brake intervention, and also this gives you an option to change the sensitivity levels for this particular safety feature. I have it on early warning in my car. The next one will be lane departure warning. That is a feature that most customers are not a big fan of it. However, I do love it in my car. Basically what it does, when you're hitting the white lines on the ground on a highway, it vibrates the steering wheel. Again, you do have the option to choose from early to turn it off completely. The next one, which is attached to your lane departure warning, is going to be steering intervention. That is something basically when you're hitting the white lines or steering away from your lane, the steering wheel will take over and steer you back to your lane. I am still not fully used to it, but I have it on in my car. And the next one, last but not least, active blind spot detection, which is my personal favorite feature. I do have it on early warning in my car, and I do recommend all of my clients to have it on early warning. Basically, it does help a lot when there's somebody's on your blind spot, and it detects that for you. It lights up the little triangle in your mirrors, and that just helps you to locate the cars on your blind spot. Alright guys, this wraps up our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, press thumbs up and hit subscribe. See you next time.